Wilds am I laughing, please, Locking Wilds. Hey! Wonder where it'll pie though. Wonder where it'll pie. Wonder if it'll hide them all. There you go. None as usual. Absolute fucking shocking. Need another one here so we do, and it's fucking done me. Absolute shite, man. What's the fucking need of that, man? Look at that, shocking. Locking Wells 15 spins and fucking does me. Absolute shocking. Not even a win there. It's not even a win either. That's fucking terrible. Anybody ever seen that? Give you that push. Everything's missing. Oh, fucking great. How the fuck can you get away with that, man? 15 fucking spins. Look at that. Shocking. Absolute fucking disgusting, man, if you ask me. I genuinely thought this was going to be a couple 100x anyway. It's fucking done me, man. Look at it's picking. Absolute fucking disgusting. Look at the shite ends, man, I know. Fucking hell. 50x, 15 spins and Locking Wilds. Your perfect one would be 20 spins, basically, you get 15. Absolute fucking shocking.